YouTube video. I'll show you later. Hello guys, so too much. So I bought this on Amazon. So I'm going to show you what I buy. Show you what I bought. So just a quick video. Okay. Alright. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 packages from Amazon. So I'm going to open the first one. Oh, this forgot. Wow, my favorite perfume here, Hayat Oud. Yeah, good perfume. So this perfume is Arabic perfume. I love it. It's nice. I'll show you the other one that I have. Same with this, but this one almost finished. So I bought a new one. Alright, I'll put this one here. Next. This one is shoes. Ooh. Wow, very nice. Look at these shoes. What's the brand? Kohan, original Kohan. Wow, look, it's very light. I like it. It's light shoe. I'm gonna test. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can fit. Oh my god. Wow, very nice shoe. I can fit. Wow, I love it. I love it. Very nice, guys. I like the shoe. I like the brand. It's still new. Yes. What's next? Okay, what's next? This one. I'm gonna open another parcel. What is this? Forgot. Oh, okay. I remember now. So this one is the cover for my speaker. Yeah, my Boss portable speaker. And the belt also, this one. So I'm going to show you the real big speaker. Yeah, Bose. I'm gonna open. Wow. Oops. Wow, look. I love it. Look. Oh my god. It's the box. There's the brand. Bose portable speaker. Wow, it's heavy. Let's open this. Open this one. This side. Like this. This one. Now I'm gonna bring it outside. Ooh, look. Wow, Very nice. Very nice. Wow, I love it. So this one is the case for the speaker. Yeah, very nice. I'm gonna power it on. No power. I need to charge it first before I use. There is charger. Check if there is charger inside. Yeah. This is the charger. That's the cable. So I'm gonna plug it to see if it's charging. Oh, what am I doing? We cut it here. What am I doing? What am I doing? Okay. I'm going to charge it. I'm going to test if it's charging. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. I need to plug this. Where's the charging port? Okay, at the back. Oops. Wow, now it's charging. You see this blinking light here? Yeah, now it's charging. So I'm gonna leave it on charger. I'm gonna test it later. I bought this same like this last time. So that one I sell it to someone and I buy another color. That one was black. So this one is the blue one. So I know the speaker already. I love it. It's very portable. The sound quality is good. I like it. Later on, I'm gonna put this cover here. Yeah, for the belt. This one. I love it. So I need to go back to work now because I only left with 15 minutes, so I can go back and work. Yes, guys, that's it. Now, see you. Thank you for watching this video. If you love my videos, all the time I'm gonna share my videos on YouTube, on whatever I do, my living, my lifestyle, my job, everywhere I go, businesses, I go visit businessmen, I go visit business location, I do reviews on businesses. Whatever you need or whatever you want to ask about, just let me know in the comment section so I can make a video on it. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Bye.